Hello everyone, this is Sally from Winker Laser. Welcome to Winker Laser. Today I will introduce you the latest DPL machine to you. This machine combines DPL and NIR. It is the latest generation of skin rejuvenation technology. Okay, now I will introduce you more details about this machine. And this machine has two handles. The one is NIR handle and another is DPL handle. They are for different treatments. And this handle uses the Sapphire crystal, highlights transmittance, focus energy, and one-time effect. 360 cooling head ensures comfortable treatment. And this DPL handle has 8 different filters. This vascular filter remove vascular. This cell light filter remove acne. This filter remove spots. This filter remove pigment. And this filter is for anti-inflammatory. And this filter is for hair removal and body rejuvenation. And this two spot size is for different small area. And this handle with the magnetic suction technology. It's easy to change the filters, and also it's easy to clean, safe, and reliable. Next, I will introduce this machine screen to you. Okay, now we can start open this machine. And our machine has two handles. The one is DPL handle, another is NIR handle. DPL handle, this is the DPL handle treatment. This is the NIR handle. Now DPL handle, this is the treatment. You can choose which one do you need. This one is for hair removal, and this area is to adjust the pulse. And this area is to adjust the cooling. This area is to adjust the energy. And okay, it's okay, you can start. If you are interested in this machine, we provide free training and 24 hours online. Welcome to our Winker Laser's machine. Bye!